Hi everybody! Today we're going to make my version of ice cream. This is again another recipe that I got the basis of off of All Recipes, but it's worked out great and I used my own flavorings. So what I did is I have instant coffee, which I put back through the grinder to make sure that it was a nice fine powder. And then I have just regular chocolate cocoa powder and cinnamon. And what I do, I'll mix those up together. I got 2 tablespoons of coffee, 2 tablespoons of chocolate, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Usually I just mix it up like that so that it's all blended together, just like so. And then we have a can of sweetened condensed milk, which I put in the bowl so that way we can mix our flavors into this sweet milk. So we'll just put that off to the side. This is 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. We just need to put that in our mixer and make sure it's all in there. There we go. And now we'll just set that to run. And we want to make sure that we get it whipped up to stiff peaks. Make sure we don't slosh that out anywhere. Now what you can do, we have our sweet milk and flavoring mixture, and we'll just whip that together so it's nice and blended up. The reason for grinding the coffee was to make sure that it was nice and smooth, so when it goes into the ice cream, you're not biting into coffee chunks. Nobody likes coffee just straight out of the bag. See how yummy that's looking? There we go. Now we have our mixture all put together. I always want to make sure to keep our area clean and keep our hair back so it doesn't get in the food. Anytime you're cooking and you touch your hair, you need to make sure that you go wash your hands again. Alright. Looks like our stiff peaks are forming. Not quite yet. Just a couple more minutes. You want to make sure you don't overblend it because then it'll knock all the air out of the whipped cream. And that'll make your ice cream too heavy. There we go. There we go. Stiff peaks. So you can see when you lift it up, stiff peaks. Now we gotta mix our flavoring into our ice cream. And again, this one we have to stir to make sure that we don't knock the air out of it. Make sure that that gets nice and blended up. And get your spatula, make sure that you get all of the cream off of the sides. Get it all mixed up. And get it off the bottom just in case it didn't mix up well. And off the top with the mixer attachment. And then we're going to pop that back on there and do just a little bit more. I have this special spatula that has a groove on it to clean this particular mixer attachment. So make sure that we get all of the ice cream. Now, I have these individual serving bowls, so that way whenever my family is ready to eat it, they just pull one out of the freezer and they're good to go. Now we just pop these lids on, put them in the freezer, and in 6 hours, it'll be good to eat. All right, it's been 6 hours. Our ice cream is done, and look at that. It's beautiful, nice and frozen and smooth. See, it's not as hard and solid as regular ice cream. Nice and creamy. Good stuff.